In front of me is NOKIA 2.3, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it can be Meryl. Then tap on Edit Contact and click on the camera icon. You can either take a photo, it's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, just grab a photo and then it will be assigned to this contact, or you can choose photo from your gallery. And let me pick mine. Now you can customize it, so it's up to you how it will be cropped, and then tap on Done. Finally click on Save. And that's it. From now on, every time this contact will be called on you, you'll be able to see profile picture at first. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add photo to a contact in your NOKIA 2.3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.